Hello friends, in this series I discuss the topic waterfall model. Waterfall model, this is the waterfall model. First requirement phase, design phase, implementations and the unit testing, integration and system, operation maintenance. Now the waterfall model is named waterfall model because its diagrammatic representations resembles a cascade of waterfalls. First, user requirements. It means the client requirement analysis specifications. Now go to the next step. It's your design phase. It means that is the interface designing and implementations. Now come to the next part. It's your implementations. Implementation. It means using your code, code through the code design part. Now, now the next it's your integration and the system testing. It means you verify your data with your testings, verify your details, and then maintenance and it's your operation. It means update and editing your parts. This is called your maintenance functionality. First, if requirement function and the analysis user specifications is done, then go to the design phase. If you can change the part, then go to the requirement analysis specifications. If design phase is done and implementation is also done, then you can't go back to the first part and go to the next part. It means waterfall model is a it's a simple and easy maintain your cost. Now it's easy to understand and reinforce to the notion defined before design and design before code. That is called your waterfall model. Expect complete and accurate requirement earlier in the process, which is unrealistic. It means first, first it's your user requirement, then design the phase, then implementations, then testings, and then maintenance your part. It means step by step flow of your water, like flow of your water. It means water up to down. Difficult to define all requirements at beginning of a project. This model is not suitable for accommodating any changes. It does not scale up well to the large projects. This model is not suitable for accommodating any changes. Real projects are really sequentially. These are the drawback of the waterfall model. Waterfall model, it's a sequentially one by one. First phase is done, then go to the next step. This is the main problem of this. If you have done the if you have done the design phase, then go to the implementation. If you have done the implementation part, it means the first phase done, second phase done, and then third phase. Then you can't go to the first phase or second phase. So this is the main drawback of the waterfall model. So in this slide we will discuss the waterfall model. Now